Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to launch yourself in the stratosphere on the new skate. First, you're going to need to know manuals. So when we land, we're going to land in a manual right here in the middle somewhere. Then we're going to instantly yank back. Right when this big circle comes on our screen, we're going to yank back. So the first way is hop off your board, put down, back. It's gonna take a couple of tries sometimes. Right there. And once you get in this T pose, you can do your emote, which is your left bumper or L1, and then any emote. And then up you go. It's super helpful for spots that are high and hard to reach. Such as spread eagle, torpedo dive, whatever you need to do. If you are to get spots like this, just launch yourself up, flat down on it. Hopefully land it. The other way, start on your board, do a hippie jump. That'd be square and X. It'll be the same process. Land in a manual and yank back. This one's a little tougher with timing, I think. Oh, T-pose again. Same thing. Same up. And up into the sky you go. Sometimes this will launch you a couple 100 meters. Sometimes it'll launch you 50,000 meters. You know, there's kind of no telling. But if it does launch you a little too high, all you gotta do is just open your map, take a fast travel. Like that, and boom, you're back on the ground. One last thing to show you guys, the little helicopter spin. That's when you start on your board, same thing with the hippie jump, square and X. So you're going to jump with a spin, and then while you're up in the air spinning, you're going to hit R1. So all together it'll be like this. That's pretty pointless, but kind of humorous. If you guys like this video, consider giving me a like, follow. So try to make some more.